I am going to show you how to remove distraction on X. Let's say you do not want any distraction whenever you open X. You want to read some particular post coming from some specific group of people. This is actually how to do that. Now, this is going to help you to remove every other post and make some certain post favorite. But then it is not called favorite on X. Now, let's go ahead and do this. So let's say I have my X open and I want to view some certain posts. Now, this is actually what you do. You click on your profile icon and now you go to list. Now on that list, you'll be able to create a particular list. Now, mind you, this is only going to be for you. You can notice right here, it says you haven't created or followed any list yet. Now you can actually click on this plus icon to follow list that is being suggested to you. You can also click on more to follow even more list that is being suggested to you. These are other people that are creating this list. Now, for some reason, if you want to create your own list, all you need to do is to click on this area, and then you give it a name, and you can also upload an image for it. But for my case, I am going to just say my fab. Now, you can also put a description if you want to, but just click on create once you're done. Now, if you are done, it is going to display people for you. All the people that is going to be displaying are actually the people that you're already following, or the people that you like to visit a lot. Now, if you do not see them, you can actually go ahead and search. So this is Liverpool Football Club. I do not think I'm already following them, so I can add them to my list, and I can say BBC, then search BBC, add to my list. I can just add just about any people that I want and add them on my list. So let's do even more. So just go ahead and add to your list. Now, if you are done, click on done. Now, what does this list actually do? What this list does is that it's going to be displaying all of the posts from these people to you. So whenever you want, you can always respond to them at will, or you can always come here and read everything easily. And then you can also do more things that you can see that it says don't show this post in the homepage. This if you want. I think they've actually removed this feature, so it is not going to show it on the home page, but whenever you come right here, you are going to be able to see your list. Now scroll through, you are going to see other people that have also posted, but if they have not posted within the short period of time, you are not going to be seeing all of those posts. But whenever those people start posting, I mean the people that are in your list, you'll be able to see them. So this is going to help you to reduce distraction from any other post. And whenever you want to add more members on your list, you can always click on edit list. And then from here, you can click on members, and then you add even more people. And also do not forget that people can also join your list. But if you do not want people to join your list, you can always make this private. Now, if you make it private, you are going to be the only one seeing your list, and nobody is going to be able to join you. Now, what I mean by joining the list is that right here, you can see you can easily click on this plus to join any of this list. Now, when you join any of this list, whatever you post, every member in this list are going to see it. You can currently see that it says 44 member, but do not also mistake the members with the followers. Now, each followers or each member in this group have an amount of followers. You can clearly see that. So when you follow up with the list of other public list that is available, it just adds up and it's going to display as more members to them. So whenever you follow a list or you follow anything, it's going to display on this area, just on this area. But because I say do not display on the home page, that is the reason why you do not see it. And whenever you click on list, you'll be able to see your list and anytime you want. So I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.